Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship hymn, As the Deer. As the Deer, written by Martin J. Nystrom in 1984. This song is based off of the book of Psalms 42:1. Very easy praise song to play. So let's get started. As the deer panteth for the water, so my soul longeth after thee. You alone are my heart's desire, so I long to worship thee. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. Okay, very easy worship hymn to play. Just using the chords of C, G, A minor, and F, and then D minor, and then the last chord of E. So these are all the chords that you'll be using. If we look at, okay, to kind of review how to play these chords real quickly. To play the C chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, then skip a string, finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings except this top E string. That is the C chord. To play the G chord, you place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the top E string of the 3rd fret, and then your 3rd finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. That is G major. And then A minor, you place your 1st finger on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but this top E string. That is A minor. Okay, and to play the F major, you want to bar the first 2 strings on fret number 1, and then place finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. Or you can use the bar chord. Or as an alternative, you could use F major 7, 1st finger on the 2nd string, and just leave this 1st string open, and then finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings but this top one. F major 7. But I typically use that bar F. Okay, then if we look at the chord progression up above for the verse, we'll start off strumming the C chord, and I'm just going to use up, down, and up patterns on the strumming. Down, up, okay? To start off with. So it goes, as the deer, and then on the word deer, switch to G. Deer panteth for A minor, the water, so my soul longeth after thee. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. Okay, let's look at that again. Okay, we'll be switching chords, pretty quickly on this. Okay, so it goes a little slow. As the deer panteth for the water, so my soul longeth after thee. Back to G, C. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. Okay, and then on the chorus we're going to go right into the A minor chord. Okay, and then F, C, and back to F, and then we're going to play a chord D minor. Okay, to play the D minor chord, finger number 1 goes on the first string of the first fret, finger number 2 goes on the third string of the second fret, finger number 3 goes on the second string of the third fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That's D minor. And then we'll go right into E major. E major, you want to place finger number 1 on the third string of the first fret, finger number 2 on string number 5 of the second fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the second fret, and then strum all strings. That is E major chord. Okay, so those are the only 2 additional new chords, D minor, E major. Okay, so we'll start off with the chorus, start off with A minor, okay? So if you notice, A minor is shaped just like the E major, okay? Except to play the A minor, all fingers go down one string. Okay, looking at the chorus, it's going to start off with A minor. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. Okay, so we're doing A minor to F and C to F. Okay, you alone are my strength, my C, F alone may my spirit. On spirit, hit the D minor, and then on yield, hit E major. Okay, spirit yield. Then back to C. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. Okay, so if we look at the chorus one more time, we start off with A minor. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. Okay, and then it's got 2 or 3 other verses, and you just repeat those verses and then a chorus after each one. Very easy song to learn. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure and hit the like button below. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel under your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I want to say thank you to all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.